the world, so uniquely captivating? This vast land, nestled in the heart of Asia, is a spectacle to behold, an untouched wilderness that has been preserved for millennia. Let's start our journey by placing Mongolia on the map. It's sandwiched between Russia to the north and China to the south. This geographical positioning has shaped Mongolia into a unique blend of cultures and landscapes, a testament to its storied history and resilient people. Now, imagine a country about the size of Western Europe, but with a population just over 3 million. That's Mongolia for you. A country where you can travel for hours without seeing another soul, where the vast openness of the land can make you feel like the last person on Earth. And what a land it is! Mongolia's wilderness is a living, breathing testament to nature's grandeur. It's a place where the golden sands of the Gobi Desert collide with the lush green steppes, where towering mountains give way to crystal-clear lakes. It's a country of contrasts, where every turn reveals a new, breathtaking vista. The Gobi Desert, one of the world's largest deserts, stretches across southern Mongolia. It's a harsh, arid landscape, but one that's teeming with life and history. This is where dinosaur fossils from millions of years ago have been unearthed, a silent reminder of the passage of time. On the other end of the spectrum is the Mongolian steppe, an endless sea of grass that sways with the wind. It's an idyllic scene straight out of a painting where nomadic herders still live much as they did in the days of Genghis Khan, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of the land. Mongolia's wilderness isn't just about its landscapes though, it's also about the sense of freedom it instills, the feeling of being one with nature, of being truly alive. As we delve deeper into this fascinating country, prepare to be amazed by the untouched beauty of Mongolia's wilderness. Did you know Mongolia is often referred to as the land of the eternal blue sky? Let's find out why. Mongolia, a country that's nestled between the vast expanses of Russia and China, has a unique climate that gifts it with a clear azure sky for over 250 days a year. Yes, you heard that right. More than two-thirds of the year, Mongolia is bathed in a vibrant blue that stretches as far as the eye can see, unobstructed and unhindered. This phenomenon is not just about the weather, it's something that's deeply ingrained in the culture, lifestyle, and even the belief system of the Mongolian people. The eternal blue sky is a testament to the country's geographical location, its high altitude and its low population density. But more than that, it's a symbol that resonates with the Mongolian way of life. Consider the nomadic lifestyle that's still prevalent in Mongolia. The clear blue sky isn't just a pretty sight for the nomads, it's their compass, their clock, and their calendar. It guides them on their journeys, helps them keep track of time, and even has a significant role in their rituals and ceremonies. In Mongolian culture, the sky is revered and personified as Tengri, the sky god. This deity is a central figure in Mongolian shamanism, the country's indigenous belief system. These beliefs further reinforce the deep connection the Mongolian people have with their sky. It's not just a part of their physical world, but their spiritual world too. The eternal blue sky is a constant in the lives of the Mongolian people, a symbol of continuity and stability amidst the changing seasons and the shifting sands. It's a reminder of their resilience, their adaptability, and their unwavering spirit. It's a source of inspiration and a beacon of hope, a testament to their past and a promise of their future. Indeed, the eternal blue sky is not just a natural phenomenon, but a symbol of the Mongolian spirit. What if I told you that deserts could be cold too? Welcome to the Gobi Desert, a place that defies your typical desert stereotype. Now, when you think of a desert, you probably imagine a landscape of endless sand dunes under a scorching sun. But the Gobi Desert is not your ordinary desert. It's a place of extremes where temperatures swing wildly, from blistering hot summers that can soar up to 50 degrees Celsius to bone-chilling winters that can plummet to -40. It's a place where the elements are in constant flux, creating a landscape that is as dynamic as it is harsh. This stark desert, spanning across northern China and southern Mongolia, is also a treasure trove of paleontological wonders. The Gobi Desert has been the site of some of the most significant dinosaur fossil discoveries in the world. From the first dinosaur eggs ever found to the remains of the fearsome velociraptor, this desert holds secrets of a world long gone, preserved in its sandy embrace. But don't be fooled by its barren appearance. The Gobi Desert is far from lifeless. It's a sanctuary for some of the rarest wildlife species on the planet. The elusive snow leopard prowls its rocky terrains, while the Mongolian wild ass roams freely across its vast expanses. Majestic Bactrian camels with their distinctive two humps endure the desert's harsh conditions, and the Gobi bear, the world's rarest bear species, clings to survival in this inhospitable environment. Amidst the sand, rock, and extreme temperatures, life in the Gobi has adapted in extraordinary ways. From plants that bloom after rare rains to animals that have evolved to withstand the desert's temperature swings, the Gobi is a testament to the resilience of nature in the face of adversity. A visit to the Gobi Desert, a place of stark beauty and surprising biodiversity, is like stepping into a natural history museum. It's not just a desert, but a living, breathing testament to the extraordinary adaptability and resilience of life on our planet. Imagine a landscape so vast and open that it seems to merge with the sky. Welcome to the Mongolian steppe, a sea of grass that stretches to the horizon. Spanning millions of acres, the Mongolian steppe paints an image of boundless freedom and unspoiled nature. A verdant carpet of grass, dotted with wildflowers, stretches as far as the eye can see, broken only by the occasional herds of grazing animals and nomadic jurs, traditional Mongolian tents. The steppe is a cradle of life, its fertile soil nourishing a variety of flora and fauna. Herds of wild horses gallop freely, their manes flowing in the wind, while marmots pop their heads out of burrows, curious and watchful. Supporting the age-old nomadic culture of Mongolia, the steppe is more than just a geographical feature. It's a way of life. Nomads mounted on their swift horses traverse this vast expanse, herding yaks, camels, and sheep. The rhythm of their lives, dictated by the changing seasons and the needs of their animals, follows a pattern that has remained virtually unchanged for centuries. As the seasons change, so does the face of the steppe. In the winter, the grassy expanse transforms into a frozen white landscape, the harsh winds whipping across the snow-covered plains. Life slows down, but it doesn't stop. The nomads, resilient as the land itself, adapt and endure, their bond with the steppe unbroken. As winter gives way to spring, the steppe undergoes another transformation. The frozen earth thaws and the grass returns, painting the landscape in various hues of green. Wildflowers bloom, adding splashes of color to the verdant canvas. The air is filled with the sound of birdsong, and the steppe brims with life once more, a lush green paradise under the eternal blue sky. The Mongolian steppe, with its vastness and ever-changing beauty, truly embodies the wild spirit of Mongolia. As we journey through Mongolia, it becomes clear that this is a land like no other. This is a realm where the wild still holds sway, where vast, untouched landscapes stretch as far as the eye can see. From the sun-baked expanses of the Gobi Desert to the endless sea of grass that is the steppe, Mongolia's wilderness is a testament to nature's grandeur and resilience. The unique climate of Mongolia adds another layer to its untamed allure. With extreme temperatures that swing from the freezing cold of winter to the scorching heat of summer, this wilderness is a stage where nature's most dramatic performances play out. But it's more than just a spectacle. It's a crucible that shapes the landscapes, the wildlife, and the people, making Mongolia's wilderness a living, breathing entity. The Gobi Desert, one of the largest deserts in the world, is a key character in this wild narrative. It's not just a desert, but a world within a world, with its own unique ecosystem and a stunning array of wildlife. From the elusive snow leopard to the rare Gobi bear, the Gobi is teeming with life that has adapted to its harsh conditions in remarkable ways. Then there's the steppe, an endless expanse of grass that stretches as far as the eye can see. This sea of grass is home to the nomadic people of Mongolia, who have lived in harmony with the land for centuries. Their way of life is a testament to the symbiotic relationship between humans and nature, a dance that has been going on for generations. These elements, the vast landscapes, the unique climate, the distinctiveness of the Gobi, and the endless expanse of the steppe, combine to create Mongolia's wilderness. This wilderness is not just a collection of landscapes, but a living, breathing entity that invites you to be not just an observer, but a participant. In Mongolia, you don't just observe the wilderness, you live it. This is what makes Mongolia not just a place, but an experience.